Unveiling the latest innovation in the iPhone series. The iPhone 17 Pro introduces a groundbreaking battery design, featuring a steel case. Recently obtained images showcase an L-shaped battery design with a steel case, tailored for specific adaptations in the US and Chinese markets. These images offer a sneak peek into Apple's upcoming model set to debut in September 2025. Revealing a horizontal motherboard layout that hints at optimized internal organization. The steel case, a feature previously seen in the iPhone 16 Pro, enhances heat dissipation, durability, and integration efficiency. The L-shaped design complements the reduced logic board, with notable variations between the US and Chinese versions. In the US variant, the absence of a physical SIM allows for a wider design, maximizing internal space and accommodating a battery with increased capacity. On the other hand, the Chinese version retains the L-shaped form while incorporating a SIM tray, showcasing a unique design element. The battery module boasts a precise finish with welded edges and new adhesives that will simplify future battery replacements. Although official charging speed details are not yet available, the steel case hints at improved thermal management, potentially enabling higher power levels during charging, similar to the iPhone 16 Pro. Both versions of the iPhone 17 Pro are expected to benefit from these advancements. As a prototype in the development phase, the iPhone 17 Pro is on track for its anticipated launch in September 2025. The evolution from the iPhone 16 Pro's steel case to the iPhone 17 Pro's enhanced design, along with the distinct features of the US and Chinese versions, adds an intriguing dimension to the upcoming release, fueling excitement among Apple enthusiasts.